Dad, look at that game. It is so cool.
You already have games at home, Tom.
But this one is different. It has many games inside.
Tom, that game is too expensive for today.
Please, Dad. I will take good care of it.
Not today, Tom. We came to buy school things.
But I really want it, Dad.
When Dad says no, he means no.
You always say that when it is about me.
Tom, wanting something does not mean we must buy it.
I was only asking.
This game is popular. Many kids want it.
Can I just hold it for 1 minute?
No, Tom. If we are not buying it, we should not touch it.
Come on, everyone. We still need notebooks.
Tom, come on. Do not make this a big thing.
I am coming.
Tom, stay near us. Do not walk away.
I am just standing here.
You are still thinking about that game, right? No, I do not care about it now. Then why do you keep looking at the shelf? Stop watching me, Zara. Are these notebooks good?
Yes, these are fine.
Tom, where are you going?
I just want to look one more time.
Only look. Do not touch anything.
It is just sitting here. If I had this, I would be so happy. No one is looking.
I will check the price for you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
I will only keep it for a little while.
Why did you come out so fast?
I just looked. There was nothing else.
What are you hiding in your pocket?
Nothing. Stop asking questions.
Children, we are done here. Let us go home.
Yes, Mom. Let us go now.
Tom, are you okay?
I am fine, Dad. I am just tired.
Tom, wash your hands before you play.
I will, Mom. I just need my room first.
He is acting strange.
He was upset about the game.
Give him a little time.
It is mine now!
Tom, what is that sound?
Nothing! Do not come in!
That is the game from the shop.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is. That is the same game.
You do not know every game in the world.
Where did you get that?
A man gave it to me near the shop.
A stranger gave you an expensive game for free?
Yes.
Maybe he was kind. Tom, that story sounds wrong.
You are just jealous because I got something nice.
I am not jealous. I think you are hiding something. What is happening in here?
Mom, Zara is bothering me.
He has the game from the shop. Tom, where did this game come from?
A man gave it to me outside the shop.
Tom, children should never take gifts from strangers.
I forgot. I am sorry.
He is lying, Mom. I know it.
You always want me to get in trouble.
Enough. We will talk to your father.
Wait. One handheld game is missing.
I did not sell this today. I need to check the camera. Tom, we need the truth now.
I told you, a man gave it to me.
What did this man look like?
I do not remember.
Dad, that does not make sense.
She just wants to blame me.
Zara is asking because the game came from the shop we visited.
Maybe the man bought it from there first.
Tom, one small lie can become a bigger problem. Tom, if you took it, tell Mom now.
I did not take it, Zara.
Good evening. Are you Rick, Tom's father?
Yes. What happened, officer?
We are here about a missing game from the shop. A missing game?
That is impossible.
That is our missing game from the shop.
No, it is not yours.
Tom, we need you to tell the truth.
I did not steal it.
That game disappeared after your family left the store.
Are you sure it was not sold?
I checked the sales. No one paid for it today.
Tom, please tell us what really happened.
I already told you.
Tom, the shop has a camera near the shelf. The camera saw what happened.
Oh, Tom.
You took it and put it in your bag.
I was going to give it back.
That is not what you said before.
I was scared.
Being scared does not change what you did.
Tom, why did you lie to us? I did not want you to be angry with me.
We love you, but this choice was wrong.
Tom must come to the station with his parents.
Mom, please do not let them take me.
We are coming with you. But you must face this.
I am sorry. I do not want to go.
This is serious, Tom. You took something without paying.
We will return the game and listen to the officer.
I wish you had told us the truth earlier. I was afraid you would tell everyone.
I only wanted to stop this before it became worse. Tom, do you understand why you are here?
Because I took the game.
Did you pay for it?
No, I did not pay for it.
Then what you did was stealing.
I know. I made a bad mistake.
That game belonged to the shop, Tom.
I am sorry I took it.
When someone steals, the shop loses money and trust.
I did not think about that.
You thought only about what you wanted.
Yes, I wanted it too much.
I told you no, and you made a secret choice.
I should have listened to you, Dad.
We are returning this. It never belonged to Tom.
I do not want it anymore.
Thank you for bringing it back, Tom.
Tom,
You wanted it so badly, but now everyone is sad.
I am sorry I blamed you, Zara.
You made me feel like I was the bad one.
That was wrong of me, too. I am sorry.
This happened because of your choice, Tom.
If you had not taken it, you would not be here tonight.
I did not know it would become this big.
Small wrong choices can grow.
Into big trouble.
The game was small, but the mistake was not small.
We trusted you today.
I broke that trust, Dad.
Yes. Now you must earn it back.
Saying sorry is the first step, not the last step.
I will not take anything without paying ever again.
And if the answer is no,
I must accept it.
I accept your apology, but do not repeat this.
I will not.
I was angry, but I still wanted you safe.
I should have trusted you with the truth sooner.
Next time, tell the truth, before it gets worse.
I made everyone afraid because I wanted one game.
We are hurt, Tom, but we will help you learn.
Thank you for explaining this before it became worse.
He is young, but he must remember this day.
I will remember it. I am sorry, Mom. I am sorry, Dad.
We forgive you. But trust will take time. Wanting something does not make stealing right.
I know that now.